I'm going to show you how to change a TV on a wall mount. Keep watching the video. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm going to be installing a brand new Sony upgraded smart TV on this wall mount, and we're going to be getting rid of the Samsung TV that's currently on this wall mount. So if you currently have a wall mount on the wall, then this is definitely the video for you to watch. If you don't, then you're just going to have to do one step before and install the wall mount on the wall prior to switching. So first thing I want to do is I want to get this off the wall. So the first thing I need to do is I need to disconnect all the cords, power cable, and any video cables that are going to the TV. Now with the power and video cables disconnected on your current TV, now you're ready to disconnect the TV off the wall mount. So there's two ways of doing this, and it's the easy way and hard way. You could actually, if you had an extra hand, unscrew the screws on the TV, and that will actually remove the TV right from the wall mount itself. However, if you want to have a little bit easier time, then you can just disconnect the wall mount and leaving the brackets on the back of the TV, place the TV down securely on a cushion, and then you can work at ease and installing that on the new TV. So here we have 4 screws that are securing the Samsung TV, and we have the main screw, and this is this nut. If you remove this nut, this TV will fall right off the wall mount. So this is a really interesting wall mount. This is one of these protruding wall mounts that you can push out from the wall, and you can also adjust the TV vertically and horizontally as well. You can adjust this. So first thing I need to do is I need to loosen up this bolt, and that's going to release the TV off of this mount. So I have an adjustable wrench, and I'm just going to go ahead and start loosening this nut. As you start loosening the nut, keep in mind you're going to have something to brace the TV or get an extra hand, and I strongly recommend having an extra hand, someone holding the TV and pushing up, releasing the pressure from the TV to the nut, and that way you can loosen this off even by hand, releasing the TV. So here we go. I'm just going to start loosening this right now. Okay, and you can see it is turning. And as I'm turning that, the TV is dropping out of that a little bit. Now with the nut removed, the TV is ready to come off. There we go. Like so. And you just want to put it down very carefully on some cushion so you don't damage the TV. Now with the TV off the mount, we're now ready to remove the mounting bracket off the old TV. Now there is 4 large Phillips screws. It may be a different type of screw on your TV. Just make sure you have the proper tools and check before doing the work. So I have my screwdriver. You can use a drill or a screwdriver, and I'm just going to go ahead and loosen off the screw from the TV, and I'm going to do the same for all 4 screws. Okay, now this should come off. And also take note that you don't want to lose the spacers. There is spacers just in case you need those. If you're looking to get a new wall mount for your TV, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one. If this is the first time that you're installing your new TV with a new wall mount, then this is already installed, but to install a TV wall mount, you would want to find, either using a stud finder, you'd want to make sure that you find the studs behind the wall, because the TV is quite heavy and you want to make sure that it's going to support the TV rather than just throwing screws into the wall or using wall plugs. That's not the proper way to do that with a TV mount. So you want to make sure you mark out your studs, and then that's where you're going to install your new TV wall mount. So that's what you do there. This is an existing one, so now we're ready to install the new TV to the mount. So we're going to unbox the TV and get that ready for the mount installation. So I'm going to be installing this Sony 55-inch Bravia TV. So I just opened it up. Now what I want to do is, just like taking the brackets off the old TV, I want to put this new TV flat on the cushion so it's safe and secure, so that I can install the old mounts onto the back of the TV. So before we attach the old TV mount brackets to the new TV, you have to pay attention to see what you're working with. So here we have the 4 screws, and you have to use the new screws that are with the TV. They are a different size, but that's fine. But you'll notice that when I unscrew one of these, and I'll do that right now, that the screw is not that long. So therefore you will use these adapters that actually come with the TV. So this is going to screw into here, and then these screws will now be securing the old mount to the TV. So just make sure you don't throw out any packaging, and make sure you check all the packaging for these, because you're going to definitely need these. So here I'm going to just screw these in to the TV like so. Just going to hand tighten them for now, and I'm going to use a flathead to tighten these in after. And I'm going to do the same for all 4. Now I'm just going to use the flathead just to tighten these into place. So I have the old bracket from the TV mount, and I'm just going to place that on the back to see where I'm going to have to make any adjustments. Since it's a different TV and a newer TV, you most likely are going to have to adjust the rails to the new TV. So the centerpiece is going to be centered in the back of the TV. So I can already see that I have to make some adjustments here. So this is centered, and I have to move these rails inward to match up with these screw holes. So I'm going to need an Allen key to loosen up these screws so that this will slide inward. Okay, right to where the holes line up. So you want to keep the Allen key handy and keep these screws loose until you bolt the screws in, and then you can tighten up the Allen keys. So this one's going to go in quite nicely. The 2 bottom ones are. So I'm going to start with the left side, and I'm just going to go ahead and secure this one in place. Okay, like so. I can double check the tightness later. Now if you look just up above, this is where the other screw lines up. However, this is in the way. I'm not going to be able to screw anything in. So in some cases, hopefully in your case, you don't have to do this next step, but I'm going to have to remove this bolt so that I can put this screw into the TV, and then I can replace this bolt after on the bracket. Remove the Allen key, the Allen screw completely. And this bracket is now moved out of the way, so now I have access to put this bolt in. Okay. And make sure this one is snug tight, because now I have to put the Allen screw back and the bolt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just screw that a little bit with my hand and throw the bolt back through, and of course put the nut back on. So now the screw is now secure through the mounting bracket, and I already tightened the bolt. So since I'm done with the left side, it's fine for me to tighten up the Allen screws, and I'm not going to be using this side any longer. And with this secure, I can now do the final adjustments on the right side. So just going to tighten this up because I no longer need to adjust this. And just hand tight. You don't have to crank it crazy. Okay, and same thing for the bottom one. Okay. Just like the left side, we're now working on the right side. So I'm going to line up the bottom one first, since that's the simpler screw, so that it doesn't move. We want to keep the rail straight, just like so. And I'm going to tighten that. And then the same thing, just like the other side, I can't get access to that, so I have to back off the Allen screw and remove the bolt and nut to gain access. Now with the TV mount bracket secure and on the back of the new TV, it's ready to go on to the TV mount on the wall. Just as I removed it, it's got to have a screw go right through the center, which is right here, and I'm just going to lift that TV up with that screw, and I'm going to just secure the bolt before hand tightening that bolt nut onto the bolt with the adjustable wrench. Okay, so this is a part where you might want to get some extra help, or you want to brace it. It's always good if you can brace it on your knee. And this TV is a lot lighter than the older TV, of course, and that just sits right up on my knee just perfectly fine. So now the bolt is right through the mount, and I just got the plastic washer, and I'm going to just hand tighten the bolt so that I don't lose grip of the TV and it's secure. And once I hand tighten it, then I'm going to use the adjustable wrench to finish it off. Okay, make sure this is nice and snug. Just don't over tighten it. You don't want to strip the bolt. Like so. And there, the TV is now mounted on the wall, and you can be free to do any adjustments that you want to do. Last but not least, you want to remove the protective cardboard or any kind of paper protecting the screen off the TV, and you're ready to enjoy viewing your brand new television mounted on your TV mount. So that's it. That's how you change a new TV with an existing TV wall mount. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.